The first step is to add the ones, right? So what do you get from the ones? 17, right. So there's an extra 10, so we don't want the extra 10. So we're just going to put 7 and carry the extra 10 right here. Now, we need to add all our 10s. So what is 7 plus 8? It is 16. So think 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8. What's 7 plus 8? Yeah, 15. So to be fast, you just go 7 plus 8 is 15. And then the 1, if the 1 is confusing you, you just do 15 plus 1, which is really easy. So you can ignore the 1 and just add at the end. So then you already told me this is 16. So then all you have to do is write 16. So our answer is 167. Add the ones, right? So what's 6 plus 5? 11. So then remember, what happens, so we take the ones place from the 11, which is 1. What happens to the other one in the 10s? There we go. So now we put it on the top. Remember, we add the 10s, right? So what's 9 plus 3 plus 1? 13, right? Because 9 plus 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So then you got your answer. So you see how fast that was? So Sally, this girl named Sally is preparing for a bake sale, okay? So to prepare for this bake sale, to sell her items, she bakes 26 cupcakes, 32 cakes, and then 92 like small cupcakes, like the really small ones, okay? So the question is asking how many baked goods does she make in total? So how many of these treats does she make in total, right? So obviously we're adding because we're putting them all together and we're counting how many we have. So our first step is to add them, right? So let's do 26 plus 32 first. Remember, we add the ones and then we add the 10s. 58, exactly. So then let's put 58 down. Done. Is 58 our final answer, or do we have one more step to do? So we added these 26 cupcakes. We added the 32 cakes. What happens to these mini cupcakes? Exactly. So you add 92 to our 58. Remember, we add the ones and then we add the 10s. So 10, and then the 1 comes up here. So try adding the 10s now. 150, right. So 15, 14 plus 1 is 15. This is basically just breaking down 26 plus 32 plus 92. We're just doing that, except I just had you add the 2 numbers first and then add on 92 after to make it easier. But you can do all 3 at once. But remember, so after we added 26 and 32, which is 58, and then we added it to 92, 150, right. So our final answer is 150. You did it. So it would be 150 baked goods. That's your answer. You did it. So it looks scary at first, but it's really just adding 3 numbers together, because these are adding the first 2. This right here is adding the first 2 numbers, and then this right here is adding the 3rd number. Okay?